week assignment on how to on Coursera. I'm going to teach you the signal flow from my mixer board here. My mixer is Behringer mixer Xenon 1222FX. However, the signal flow is going to come through the microphone, and as it is, usually the signal flow comes from top to bottom, from beginning down to the end. But in some instances, in some cases, like my mixer, it doesn't come all the way like that. We have the insert button, the insert input that works as if it's coming to the end of the input. So you plug your microphone through this mic in, or this TRS cable in. This line in, it can take balance or unbalance. That's why I said TRS cable, because it can take both single, mono, and stereo cables. So as the sound comes into this mic input, it goes into the insert. This insert is like it's an input that allows third-party applications, even like talking about reverb or delay, So the input, this insert, it works for, like, when you have a mic that is coming in, or a sound that is coming into your microphone, this input you can include a delay effect or a reverb effect, and this effect comes out towards the end, like the post fader effect. Now we go next to the level set. As you can see, this level set is measured in dB. That's the measurement of the volume. So this, you can either lower it, turning it to the left hand side to reduce the volume to the end, or increase it to the highest. However, there is a point here. There's a what's it called, a LED here, that always indicates when the volume of your sound is too loud. It indicates a red yellow light when the volume is too loud. Now next to that is a button here, low cut. This low cut reduces the volume of your input by, say, 10 dB. So if you have a volume like this and your low cut is up, it's giving you the exact volume. But when you click it and it's down, it reduces it by 10 dB. Now we'll go to the next thing, which is your EQ. This EQ, according to my own mixer, has only 3 knobs: the high, the mid, and the low. We have mixers that have more than 3 knobs, but this particular one has just 3 knobs. With the high, it gives you can increase or reduce the quality of the sound, the timbre of the sound, from 12 kilohertz upwards, within the range of 12 kilohertz, and it can go to -15 and +15. That's how far that goes. Same goes to the mid. The mid, however, controls between 2.5 kilohertz, as you can see right here, and the low, 8 kilohertz, 80 kilohertz. From there, we'll go to the auxiliary. This auxiliary is the particular channel that allows sound to go from your microphone through your mixer, then out through here. As you can see, mono, FX send. It sends it out through here, down to your computer. So you can see the auxiliary mono, it sends sound from here down to your system. And now we go down to here. However, you can increase or reduce this amount of sound that goes through the auxiliary channel also. We go down to the FX setting. From my mixer, I have this inbuilt effect. You can see from here, it's a 24-bit multi-FX processor. It has different kind of effects that usually work with the propagation of the sound: small hall, delay, church, and the rest of them. They work with the propagation. So from here, you can check the level of effect that is going into the microphone and down to the system. That's how you do it. That's what these levels are for. Lastly, we have the pan volume. The pan, what does the pan do? The pan increases or reduces. The pan moves sound from left to right. Did I say move? Sorry. Reduces the sound from the left ear or the right ear. If you turn it to the right, you don't hear any sound from the left. It locks the left off and leaves the right playing. If you turn it to the right, it locks the left ear and keeps the right playing. That's what that does. The next button you see here is the mute. With this mute, what this mute does is only mute the sound that is going out to the main out. The sounding to your speakers. That's what it does here. It doesn't stop sound that is going through the signal flow. It only pauses the sound that is going through your out speaker. Finally, we have the faders. What this fader does is increases the level of sound that comes in through the microphone, through this system, down to your speakers. It doesn't increase or reduce the mic that goes through the auxiliary down to your system. That's what this auxiliary level does. Now this is the whole signal flow from microphone input down to the mixer. I hope I've been able to teach you on how signal flows through the mixer down to your computer. Once again, my name is Tosin Shivajo, and I'm from Nigeria. This is my third week assignment on teaching on Coursera, Introduction to Music Production. Thank you.